Hey, what's up members? How are you doing? Today is Sunday the 14th of April and it was about, probably said it's about just before 6:30 before I left on the road. I'm going out back to the same place where I filmed the review, which you probably will have seen by now, so I will have uploaded to you guys first. But I want to film another video on it. This one won't be particularly long, I don't think, but you'll be able to see behind the scenes look. It's literally just up here, about 5 minutes away. And you'll see where I put the cameras and things that I consider. Anyway, enough talk. Let's show you the behind the scenes of how I film a video. Right, let's head on out here. Now I should add, oh look at this, there's no one around anywhere. Completely silent, apart from that car. Right, I should add that I'm going to basically, this video is not going to be as like polishedly edited as the other ones I do. So like microphone, I haven't got a microphone at the moment, so I'm just using your phone. I do need to clean the windscreen as well because it got a bit dirty on the way here. So I've got some cleaning stuff. Right, let's get started. Right then, tripod's up with the phone here. So first things first, let's get a mic so that I actually sound a bit better and you can hear what I'm saying. But yeah, this is literally like behind the scenes stuff that I obviously don't usually show on camera. But some of you might be interested to see what goes on behind the scenes and I make a video, and you'll notice the huge difference when this is plugged in. Receiver. How does that sound? Does that sound better? Hopefully. Now that continuously records there to my pocket, and I've tested it before. It runs for about 5 hours, which is pretty cool. Oh, it's a bit cold this morning. Let me just do that up slightly and make sure I don't brush this, otherwise it will sound a bit scratchy. Right, tripod first. So we'll have one of these Manfrotto tripod. So he's going to come out here like this. That way around. Lock it off to make sure it doesn't move. And then we get the big boy. Now, you guys probably wouldn't have seen this before, but this is the main camera. This is a Canon R6 Mark II with a 15 to 35mm lens. That's obviously that bad boy in the front. So, yeah, he basically just gets locked off on there, so he won't move now. The microphone. So, you know, I said I had the microphone in my pocket just a second ago. There's a receiver for this. So the stuff that goes into my pocket is actually a backup, whereas this is the main one, which goes directly to the camera. And as you can see here, I just need to plug that red wire into the microphone, screen out, turn it on, lens cap off. And I have a lens hood as well, just to protect it ever so slightly. We are ready. Now I will always check as well, let's just move you back a little bit. I will always check as well to make sure the audio is coming through to here, even though it is being recorded to my pocket as a backup. So on the top, hello, 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 yeah, it's working, and also on the screen working as well. Cool, I can turn it off for the minute. So for this, I reckon we need to obviously show the, I don't know if you can see me, obviously need to show the cable on the side. Position it, I reckon something like that. So video mode there, make sure it's all locked off, spin that round, and then there's a bit where you talk to yourself on camera when there's no one else around. Oh, it's cold. Right, that'll do. Right, record. And now I always say to the camera as well, what the clip is, so when I'm editing I know, that's the intro, that's the bit there, that's the other bit, so it just makes it easier with editing. So this is the intro. Now if you own a plug-in hybrid, you might be wondering what those different drive modes are on the inside. They could say things like hybrid or electric or battery hull, sport mode, all sorts. What on earth is the difference? Well, in this video I'm going to run through each one and demonstrate its capabilities on the road. See, I prefer that one, that was a bit shorter. So I've got two there to choose, and you can always edit and put stuff from clips and things like that over. So let's turn that off. So that's done. In fact, I just thought of something else as well actually. Some people might wonder if they're watching the right video, if they're watching like a mild hybrid video or a plug-in hybrid video. Obviously this one is a plug-in hybrid, but I just want to put that on camera. So, and I'm just going to position this just so there's nothing in it, and put this up here like that. Then go right up close to the camera like that. There we go. 4.5. Okay. Now it's important to note the differences between a mild hybrid and a plug-in hybrid. Now this video is for a plug-in hybrid. I do have a video on the differences between mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid, but basically it is what it says on the tin. A plug-in hybrid is one where you plug in and you can actually drive on electric. So let's have a look at these different drive modes. Cool. Right. Now I have 4 GoPros. The GoPros are these like mini action cameras. So I've got 4 of these. I've just chuck the other 2 at the front. Now I use these 2 to film the intro for this video that you're watching now. So I just want to change the batteries so they are 100%. So you guys never see this. There's so much prep work that goes on to the videos. And obviously me being up early this morning, I'm quite hungry. I haven't had any breakfast yet. Probably should have eaten something before I left. So first things first, for when we're on the open road, want this one. So this one I mount upside down. It has the light and a microphone built in, but I do use the microphone that's here sometime. Well, most of the time. It's like a backup. I've got backups just in case like the signal cuts out or memory card fail or something. So let's unlock all this. There we go, I think we're there now. Yeah, there we go. Right, so I'll turn it off to save the power just for a minute. So that's one camera. Next one will be this one. So this one faces forward to give me a view of the front. I can mount them on the outside, but I have started to do them on the inside, just in case, eliminate the risk of something happening. There we go. Push him up there, turn him on just to make sure. Clamp it off, make sure they're nice and tight. Final camera, he's gonna go on the roof, secured, and then something like that. Whew, right, time to actually turn the camera on and do some more filming. Now, because I need to borrow this camera, so this is actually my phone, to capture this screen. So this is what I use to capture the screen. Excuse me, right. Zoom it in a little bit more. Just kind of, yeah, it's not completely straight, so let's drop it down. There you go, that's better. That'll do, and I'll probably crop it into about there. Right, let's go. Okay, so now that I captured that, I need to pack up this camera because I don't use this in the car. I have tried to before, but it's quite heavy, so I just stick with GoPros. So let's pack him up. Okay, now that's all packed up, let's just secure all the bags. Right, I think we're good to go. Cool, right, arrived back. So that's all the bits done on the interior with the driving, and now just to do an ending bit. And I think I'll get the main camera out of that one again. And then for this, I think we'll have me getting out the car. So let's just straighten that off. So there we go then guys, that concludes this week's video on how these different driving modes work in a plug-in hybrid. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and of course thank you so much for watching, and I'd also like to give out a huge shout out to Mercedes for supplying this car so I can make the review video, which I'm going to link literally just here, and then also this video on the different drive modes you could do. But thank you so much for watching, see you next time. There we go, there's 2 endings there, I guess. So we can turn the that off. Cool, that's a behind the scenes look of me filming first thing in the morning on this particular video. So yeah, if you want to see this video and its final production without the behind the scenes bit, I'm going to link it like right here so you can see that. But yeah guys, thanks for your support with being members. So we'll see you on the next one. If you want more stuff like this, let me know in the comment section. This video is private for you, remember, so no one else is going to see this. So yeah, message me down below. I'm curious to see your thoughts. See you soon.